Hello, today I'm going to make coriander rice. This delicious rice is perfect for any meal. You can have it for lunch or dinner by itself or as a side dish. I'm going to use fresh coriander and lots of nuts to make this dish. To start with, we have to make a spicy coriander paste. We need 1 chili, a cup of fresh coriander, some whole spices. I have peanuts, cumin seeds, ginger garlic paste, fennel seeds, and coriander seeds. I'm going to blend this with about half a cup of water. We need to make a really smooth paste, and here is my smooth paste. Set it aside and let's get our whole spices going. I'm going to blow my whole spices in 2 tablespoons of hot oil. And once they're ready, add a cup of sliced onion. Saute everything for about 3 to 5 minutes till onions get a little brown and soft. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder for color mostly, and our prepared mixture. Adding 3 tablespoons of peanuts. These are roasted peanuts. Now I'll cook this mixture till it becomes thick like paste. Because the rice is already cooked, we don't want too much moisture, otherwise it will be very sticky. And here I have thick paste. I'm going to season it with about a teaspoon of salt, more or less as per your liking. I'm adding 3 cups of cooked basmati rice. Now we have to make sure that everything is mixed evenly. That does take a minute or so. And here I have mixed everything evenly. This is a delicious recipe that goes with almost any kind of cuisine, and you can make it with mint instead of coriander, and you can also make it with Italian herbs like parsley for Italian flavors. And here I'm going to garnish it with some fried onions to give it some crunch, and full recipes on my website yogchakra.com.